Hello, welcome to my video channel. In this video we're going to look what all changes I've made to my model railroad in 2025. One of the activities was to connect the main HaSaKo system with the container terminal. Now the road already has been made several years ago, but I had to connect 3 new satellites above the container terminal to record the track of the car, and also at the end to make a roundabout so that the cars can go back to the main part of the HaSaKo system. Here we see the truck passing under the container crane and now entering the roundabout. You see I had to extend the roundabout a little bit out of the layout, otherwise I could not make the curve. And I've put a safety crash barrier to avoid the truck drops into the ground. In 2024 I finished the 6-door locomotive shed with the traverse in front, but early this year I had installed it on the layout, and in 2025 I spent the time to connect the 6 tracks of the loco shed with the yard and installing the track, the switches, catenary, signals, and all to connect it to the main yard. It's not all finished yet, there's still a lot to do, but about 70% is ready now. You'll see here on the left side one of my new HaSaKo locomotives departing the yard. And at the same time you can look to the right side, where in fact we see a new extension of the container terminal. I call it phase 2 of the container terminal, where also will become a new container crane. And this will be discussed later at the end of the video. Another topic is that I've started weathering the containers this year. I maybe have about 100 to do, but I made a start here with this collection of containers in front. You can see in fact here with the old P&O container what is the difference between brand new and weathering. Unfortunately we also see that some graffiti artists have come to the HaSaKo layout. Luckily they have not painted yet my brand new Suit Express locomotive Euro 4000. And here we also see some graffiti on the side of the coal wagons. Another topic I started is weathering freight wagons. Here you see the 2 last wagons which I've weathered. I'm just beginning this one, so I have still to learn a lot, but these are my first trials. Another topic is I'm adding more and more LEDs in the cars on the layout. And you also see here in fact the new Flixbus, self-made and digitized from a stand model. You see also there is interior lights in that bus. Here we see a stand bus with equipped with lights. On the left side you see there a track with an ending piece that actually will be later used to install track 3 and 4 of the station. The main project has been in October, November, December of last year has been the renovation of the distribution center. First I made a complete new concrete platform out of plywood. And then I added red-green dock lights on each dock door. I added guardrails for the trailers, red zone where the truck driver shouldn't be standing, and yellow-white lines along the pavement. And all the trucks on the distribution center have been equipped with LED lights. Also some of the trailers. So while I was busy with the distribution center, I also have in fact tackled the adjacent helicopter base. Also there I made a new concrete platform. I placed the white circles with the H in the middle. The hangar got equipped with complete new LED lights. And also on top of the hangar and on top of the tower, I've installed red warning lights, which are being controlled by an Arduino. We can see here in fact the tower with 2 warning lights on top, and the hangar with 4 LEDs on each corner. And so here we come to one of the main activities of 2025, and which will extend still the next 2 years, is the phase 2 of the container terminal. We see already a container train entering the new part of the terminal. Basically the terminal has been expanded from 3 meters long to 6 meters long. But the idea is that I will install a second container crane, which will be focusing on lifting trailers from trains. Here we see a container train entering the phase 2. And if you watch carefully where it will stop in a moment, that's where the second container crane will be installed. Again, this is all work for 2026 and even 2027. Well, thank you for watching.